Well, what do we got going on today? I did a dumb. I was trying to replace the plug-in on my tire inflator. Went a little too hard on it. To be honest, I didn't even feel much resistance before it cracked. But I'm gonna see if I can fix it with some Alumaweld. I've used this before. Worked pretty good. I don't know about on this stuff, but we'll find out. So I want to get a wet rag on this handle so the heat doesn't travel down to the delicate bits. Yeah, maybe not. Nope. Not gonna work. It sucks. Try plan B. I'll lightly thread a plug in there so I don't booger up the threads. Just getting some flux on there. hell is this made out of? Alright, epic fail. Let me think about this for a minute. I'll be back. Alright, well, sometimes you just gotta adapt and overcome, or, in this case, adapt the gauge to a better handle. Well, maybe not better, but another one. And she works. Cool. I can call this one done. At least I got my gauge back. Because that, which was on that, is a Harbor Freight. Not very accurate. But this one is. Thanks for hanging. Catch you later.